Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the execution dialog on Mecha BREAK. So all you have to do is launch the game on your PC or on your console and sign into your account and get to this homepage. And then from here, simply select pilots. And then all you have to do is select edit next to your pilot. So select edit and then choose the preset that you'd like to change. So if you have a couple of presets, select the preset that you'd want. So for me, I just have one. So I'll just select edit. And then from here, you should see the option performance settings. So within the performance settings, all you have to do is select animations. And then within the animations, you should find the execution option. So select it. And then you should see this dialog option that appears just beneath the avatar. So select that. And then you should see a couple of options. So choose the voice, choose the execution voice that you'd like. So this is the default. And then if you want to choose the other ones, you can simply select that.
This is no place for an amateur.
And also
Stay out of the way.
You can also select another one and you can hear a preview of what it looks or what it sounds like.
This is no place for an amateur.
So once you select the option that you prefer, simply select apply all changes. And then you should see if you have that particular voice, you can simply select confirm and the changes will be applied. So that's basically it on how to change the execution dialog on Mecha BREAK. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.